Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use containers in Zen Browser. But first of all, I'll explain what is containers. So containers create separate browsing sessions inside the same browser profile. Each container store its own cookies and website login session. For example, you can open a Gmail account 1 in a personal container, Gmail account 2 in a work container. So all two accounts can remain signed in at the same time without requiring separate browser profiles or repeatedly logging out. So let's see how to use containers. First of all, just go on top left corner, click on these three dots. Alright, from here click on settings. Okay, now type here on the search bar containers. Alright, as you can see, enable container specific essentials. Make sure this is on. Now scroll down under tabs and browsing. Make sure this one is also enabled. Under containers, use containers tabs. Alright, now click on manage settings. And here you can create profile. For example, for personal use of Gmail, you can create personal profile, work, banking, shopping. So you can edit that. You can select different color, different icon. You can make it another. For example, business. Click on done. As you can see. So that's it for the video. That's how you can use container on Zen Browser. Thanks for watching.